All right, all right. Good day, good evening, good morning, everybody. This is Rufus again with a very short video. I just want to explain to some of my downline members how to get their Metamask set up and how to import the BNB in their Metamask wallet. Now, assuming that everybody has already downloaded their wallet, we will move into showing you how these things are all set up. Well, depending also on my computer, sometimes it's so slow. But anyways, let us log into the MetaMask wallet, and let's see how quickly this works for me. Sometimes it takes forever, sometimes it works very quickly, and sometimes you have to resort to prayers, Our Father, our Mother which art in heaven. Hey, but let's hope we don't have to pray too long for this to come up, and then we'll get moving, showing you how simple it is. It's very simple, but as you know, if you don't know, it's extremely hard. So let's see how quickly this pops up, and we'll be good to go. We're moving into the realm of cryptocurrency, how the world is changing, and you must equip yourself with the knowledge of how this works. And the wallet is like your bank account. You have to know how to input money into it, cryptocurrencies, and how to use it to pay for things, or how to withdraw it to your main bank account. So it seems that it's coming up. So wow, I feel good now. I feel so energetic that this thing is moving a little faster than it normally did. Okay, now we're up. As you can see, when you first download your wallet, Ethereum, I don't even remember how to pronounce this, mainnet network is your default network. So now what we want to do now is import the BNB token into this Ethereum mainnet network. So what we do is we're going to scroll down to the bottom of here of the page, and we're going to click on import tokens. Okay, now once that comes up, you will see the import tokens, and you see the search bar. You want to type in BNB. Once you type in BNB, it should show up. Yes, you see the token down here, it shows BNB. Now I can't go any further than here because I already have BNB already in my account, but as a new person, you would see the BNB populating here, and you simply click on next. Once you click on next, it will take you to the option to import the token, and once you have imported the token, you will have a back arrow here. You will click on that to go back to the front of the wallet. I will just close it here, and it will show you that you have already, let's see, yes, okay, it will show you that you have already imported. See there, mine is there, so it will show you that you have already imported your BNB token. So that's the first step. So once you have done that, we go to the next step. We're now going to add BNB Smart Chain to the wallet. So to do that, you simply do this. You will go up here to the top here, click on down arrow, and you will click on Add Network. You are adding the BNB Smart Chain network to the wallet. Now let's see how quickly this shows up. Sometimes seems like it's working pretty well for us today. Okay, so let's see. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on. I believe it's gonna come very soon. So I'm just gonna relax a little bit, and let's see what happens. Okay, I think I need to sing a little bit because this thing looks like it's gonna make. It took us to this form. Okay, we click on network, add network, and it took us to this form. Now it's very important that you have all the information ready to put in here so that you can actually import the smart chain network. So I have the information on my notepad, and if I can scroll down here, and I should be able to bring that to you. Okay, Now, the first thing you see there is the network name. So what you'll do is, I'll give you this information. You will just copy smart chain. You're going to copy that, and you will put that in this spot here. Okay, the new RPC URL. You will copy this URL here. Okay, and you will put that there. Okay, see, it says this URL is currently used by the so I already have this here. That's why this is coming up. So I wouldn't be able to move any further than my demonstration. Okay, the chain number 56, and you put that there. Chain ID 56, currency symbol, which is BNB. Okay, and you put that there. And the block explorer URL, it's optional, but it's good to have it there. Okay, I'm gonna put that in, no, wrong place, in there. Okay, now once all this information is filled properly with all the correct information, you will click on save. Once you've clicked on save, you would have imported the BNB Smart Chain Network. So now that would be the place that you would start working from if you were to use other related tokens connected to the BNB network. So now that's done, we're going to come out of here, and we're going to go back into the small window. I prefer being in the small window. I don't know why. So let's hope this doesn't take too long to populate. And once we are in there, we'll show you how to actually purchase the BNB and how to swap it for other crypto related tokens in the BNB Smart Chain Network. So we're just going to wait for this thing to come up. Boy, this is taking a while. Well, patience is the virtue of all virtuous, and I've developed a lot of patience in my life, so I guess I'll just have to sing a song or go creatively, go within my mind and create something while this thing populates so that we can move forward. I have paused it, but apparently that didn't work for me, so I have to just wait. And we will know in a minute if we were successful in importing the blockchain network and also the token into the Ethereum mainnet network. So we're waiting and waiting and waiting, so that's fine. Let's talk a little bit. Like I said, I'm pretty new to this network and this cryptocurrency world. I don't know a lot, but as I learn, I will teach, and we all will go together on this journey of developing our crypto knowledge. So it seems like be coming up now. So yeah, it's pretty new to me also. Okay, now I can see this is up now. We are in the Ethereum network, and like I showed you that we have the BNB. So let's now go and click on the BNB Binance Smart Chain that you just imported. Now, it's very important now. We are in the, oh, it's not yet. We will be in the BNB blockchain network. Okay, we're there now. And let me show you first of all how to purchase your, if you want to purchase BNB, you will click on buy. If you have a credit card or debit card, you can use the Transact platform to purchase your BNB, or the Moon Pay. Both of them use credit card and debit cards. But if you already have BNB on another wallet, you can just click on view account down here. It will take you to the code, or you can actually copy this address and take it to another wallet and transfer your BNB to this wallet address here. And then after you've done that, you would have received it in your wallet here. Okay, great. Now let's say now you have to import another BNB related token like the BSUD. Let's say you don't have that and you need to bring that over. There are two ways to do that. You can actually go to import tokens, but let me show you the swap way of doing it first. You click on swap. That's easier because it's already in the network there. And you, let's say you want to swap a couple dollars. Let's see how much I will put in here. 0.010. Let's see what that is. 26. Let's see. No, that's too much. I mean, I don't think I even have that in there. 0.001. 0.00. That's too small. 0.005. Yeah, that's good. Let's say I just want to transfer or swap $1.35. I just click on, see, I say to swap. So you go down here and click on the arrow button down here, and the different tokens should appear down here that you can choose which token you want to swap, and just click on BUSD and it will just populate in that window there. See there? So that's the quickest way to actually import the token because it's already in the list in the BNB smart chain. So once that you do that, you will simply review your swap, and in no time you'll have that money in your BUSD account. So that's a quick way to do that. I'm just going to cancel and get out of here because I'm not doing that. I'm just doing an illustration. So it's if I can get this, yeah, it's working now. Okay, that's a quick way to do that, and there's another way to actually do that just in case you cannot find that token in that list. You would simply go down there and click on import token, and it will take you to the same process. You would actually put the contract address, the symbol, and the token decimal, and you just click import token. So that's another way to do that. So that's a simple way of bringing the different tokens into the BNB smart chain. So that's basically it. How there are two things you did today. First of all, you imported the BNB into your wallet, and second of all, you added the smart chain network. From there, you can do many things. You have your account set up. You have ways to get money, cryptocurrencies in your account by simply clicking on buy. You click on buy, and you can actually buy your cryptocurrencies, your BNB. And once you have that BNB in there, if you want to add other cryptocurrencies within that chain, you simply swap for it, or you go and look for the contract address and you import the custom tokens into the wallet, and bang, you got it. So that's the simplicity of this tutorial. It's very simple, and it's like promptu explanation, and I hope I did a good job in explaining how you can get your wallet set up and get cryptocurrencies working in your wallet. And I say thank you for watching, and this is Rufus, and I ask you to also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel. Click on the like button, and also share my videos, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.